Hello guys, this is video on how to reset service interval on Opel Corsa F, year 2019 to present. This is engine 1.2 petrol engine, 55 kilowatts. So you have to hold and press this button all the way. Hold it all the time while you put the ignition key in and ignition on. Then a message will show up here, and you have to wait for a countdown from 10 to 0, and that's pretty much it. Okay, that is pretty much it. Sorry I had to do it a few times. You really have to hold the button very hard so it doesn't reset, and this is it. Here we go. No more warning for service, and that's it. Check out my other videos to see how to replace filters on Corsa. Thanks and subscribe. Bye.